Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Xiaomi Redmi 10C smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is the fact that you can set the fingerprint and the face as the unlock methods on this device. In order to do that, we gotta open up the settings. Here scroll down and look for the passwords and security category, and in here we can see both the fingerprint unlock and face unlock. Let's start from enrolling the fingerprints. The system will require you to set up the backup unlock method if you didn't have one in prior of setting up biometrics. The list of options that you can choose from is pattern, PIN, and password. I'll go with pattern. Tap on got it, set up the pattern that you would like to use, and then confirm it. Next we gotta scan our fingerprint. The scanner is located on the back side of your smartphone, right below the camera. So, let me show it to you real quick. So, this is the scanner. So all you gotta do is to lay and lift your fingerprint onto the scanner and do it until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be successfully scanned. So lay and lift, and as you can see we have successfully enrolled the fingerprint. Let's test it out. As you can see, it works just fine. Next, we'll go ahead and set up the face unlock as well. So let's get back to the password and security menu, and here go for the face unlock. We'll draw the pattern that we have set earlier, and just all that it's left to do for us is to scan our face by placing it inside of the frame that we'll see right now. I'll do it off the screen real quick. So all you gotta do is to, well, as I said, scan your face. I've just done it successfully, and let's test it out. As you can see by the smiley face turning into the check into the circle, we are successfully unlocking the phone with our face as well. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the next step, which is the fact that you can turn on the dark mode on this device. In order to do that, you gotta open up the settings. Here go for the display category and tap it in dark mode. And as you can see, our interface will take on the dark colors, everything will become black, and while in the dark mode, the battery is lasting for longer, so it drains battery slower. And also, if you do not have the sufficient ambient lighting, it will also be less stressful for your eyes to be in a dark mode than it will be in a light mode. And you can also turn on the dark mode from the control panel. Just open up, swipe from the right side of a status bar, and here look for this very icon, this very shortcut. And just from here you can either turn on the dark mode, or if it's in gray color, that means that it's not longer enabled, as you can see right here. Next is the fact that you can change the control center, this one, layout and style. In order to access the setting, you gotta open up the settings app again, go for the notification control center category, and in here, as you can see, at the control center section, you'll be able to change the control center style. There are basically two options to choose from, either the old version, which will look just like this. So basically the old version is once your notification and control center are connected and linked together, and the new version makes so that by swiping from the left side of a status bar, you are getting the notification center only, and if you swipe from the right side of it, you'll get only the control center. So they are separated. So that was it for this tip. We are moving on to the next one. Is the fact that you can change the battery display, and how does the battery at the status bar look like, the battery icon and shortcut. In order to access it, you gotta look for the battery category of your settings. Or, I'm sorry, my bad. You gotta go for the notifications and control center again. Here, go for this status bar. And in here, at the battery indicator, choose how you would like your battery to be displayed, in what mode. So now it is so that the battery icon and has the percentage of your current battery health inside it. We can set so the current battery state will be on the right side of your battery icon, or we can set so that the battery percentage will be invisible in general. And the final tip for this video is the fact that you can clear the speaker once it is filled with trash or it is too quiet. If you think, you can just clear it by going into the additional settings, so category, and in here tapping on the clear speaker. And once you turn on the switch, as you will see, it will play the dedicated sound, which will clean the speaker, will clean the little sockets where your speaker is located, and will get rid of all the trash and like bad elements that prevent your speaker from being loud. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.